Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in the trade on AUD/USD for a sale at 72.28. Right now the market's at 72.19. I'm sitting about 9 pips away from the target, up $81. About two contracts at $50.25. So everything is going pretty well as of right now. 37 minutes left on this trade. So I'm looking to make about $100. So another $20, another $19, and this victory should push this account over 1,000 or very close to it at 999, which is pretty good. Starting from $777 at the beginning of this week, which is today is Sunday, Sunday the 12th of November 2018. So things going pretty well. I guess I get back with you guys in just a moment. Just creeping back into the trade. Trade's not quite over yet, but still got 19 minutes left. But look at that indicative price. That thing took a nice little drop, over 10 pips. Excellent entry. Never was in the negative for a very long time. So let's take a look at the chart. Boom. Entry way up here. Let's see if I can draw a line on this entry. Let's see here. Oh shit, wrong line. Wrong line, hold up. $27. So yeah, this is my entry right here. This is my entry. So I caught this candle here, moving down here, boom. Excellent entry. With no real drawdown on this trade. And I'm just winning this trade as of right now. As y'all can see, it's 72.16. So things going pretty good on this trade. Hey, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. I love it. And, you know, the strategy seems to be working out just fine. This will be the 8th victory. I should get close to 1,000 on this trade, but we'll see how it goes towards the end. I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Oh snap! My bad, guys. I get caught looking at my phone and missed the whole trade. But we can take a look at here at the charts. Bow. As you can see, 72.09. This thing took a real nice fall from where I got in at. So perfect entry, good trade. Strategy is working out just fine, as you can see. And it look like if I would have did a forex trade, I think this thing would continue to move to the downside. But yeah, it's a very good trade, you guys. Count just $4 away from 1,000. Started at $777 today, so things looking pretty good. I was checking out.